are pleased to show you the 2013 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.